GAXY Next Generation is a company that we have talked about a few times on this channel up until now. We've gone over a breakdown of their company. I've talked about some risks. I gave some news yesterday that was revolving around the fact that they are no longer in debt. And then we now woke up this morning to some more absolutely amazing news. This is a company that has a lot of people excited, me included. I do have a small position in this company as well. And so as an investor, I must say that I am very, very happy with the moves that this company is making. They're not taking any days off. They're not wasting any time. They're getting these agreements, they're getting out of debt, and they're doing a whole bunch of amazing things that I believe will position them to have an amazing 2021. With that being said, this video will not be very long. Again, this is just a quick news update, but this news is very, very important, so I hope you guys are excited. If you guys do enjoy these videos and if you do find them valuable or entertaining, you can let me know by smashing that like button as per usual. If you are new to the channel and you do enjoy my content again or find it valuable, you can let me know by subscribing. Our channel has been growing at insane rates over the last couple of days. I think we're up like 400 or 500 subscribers in the last 4 days alone. And so I do appreciate each and every one of you who has just joined the channel. Welcome to the family. With that being said as well, if you have any comments, if you have any feedback or criticism, but especially if you have any stocks that you would like to see me talk about, do not forget to leave them in the comment section below. The majority of these videos come from the comment section below, and you guys really help me out when you give me the things that you want to see. And so I would appreciate it if you could leave that down below. But with that being said, let's go ahead, let's jump straight into it, and let's see what this fantastic GAXY Next Generation, ticker symbol GAXY news, is all about. It was just released on Yahoo Finance that GAXY Next Generation establishes common stock equity agreement to support its growth. It says here that GAXY Next Generation is a provider of interacting learning technology solutions. Today, they have announced that it entered into a common stock purchase agreement and registration rights agreement, together the agreements with an institutional investor for up to $10 million worth of shares issuable over a 24-month period of time, based upon the current market price of the stock at the time. Separately, upon entering into the agreements, the investors made an initial fixed price equity investment of $500,000, which is subject to Rule 144 and a 6-month holding period. Now, GAXY Next Generation CFO stated that I want to reiterate that this investment is a setup for us, as the upfront capital of $500,000 is substantial for us to continue to grow our sales, and it is in common stock equity at a fixed price. Of note, the common stock equity agreement will provide us additional growth capital to increase our sales. This is what I like. To increase our sales is at our control and discretion in regards to the amount and timing. I love that, because that pretty much allows them to use it to what will benefit the company the most. Now, they believe that this financing is not dilutive to current shareholders and enhances our value by increasing our cash and shareholder equity positions over time. I agree with that. It better positions us towards our capital markets goal for 2021 of an uplist to a major U.S. national exchange, and at this time the company has yet to decide on any recapitalization structure or timing, as our board and management continue to believe our stock is undervalued. This is supported by stock purchases made in the open market by management in November and December of 2020. So that is absolutely phenomenal. So not only are they going to be getting this, but they will be getting the $500,000 investment upfront in cash with a 6-month holding period. Now, we have seen this company do amazing things over the last couple days, and I just believe that this momentum that they are seeing is absolutely insane. The fact that they finally got out of not having any toxic debt, they released G2 visuals, and they got this major investment all within the same 3 days really should say something to investors. It says something to me. Now, again, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. But the fact that they are doing all of this and now they are out of all that debt and starting to get these investments while one of their biggest products was just released really shows that this company is starting to pick up momentum and making it happen fast. Now, it says that Gary LaCroix, GAXY CEO, commented that we are extremely happy to partner with this institutional investor in regards to a common stock equity agreement. This is a major milestone for our company as we move away from toxic variable price convertible debt. GAXY is an emerging growth company going after a multi-billion-dollar market opportunity. And if we had more capital to deploy, we could be growing much faster, and this is a market that is rewarding growth. We are confident that the existing capital structure will support our operational cash flow requirements while providing the flexibility to achieve our growth targets. Plenty of high growth companies utilize similar equity agreement, including Tesla, Roku, Baller Power, among others, which have all seen their stocks perform very well post announcements. Of extreme importance to us was the faith and enthusiasm of the investors to provide a $500,000 upfront investment at a fixed equity price and control over the timing and amounts of future equity capital, which allows us to take advantage of sudden increases in our stock price. I absolutely absolutely love what he just said. I absolutely agree with the CEO, especially specifically whenever he said that this market is rewarding growth. I could not agree more. And then he says, like, with this company, you know, we're chasing a multi-billion-dollar industry, and with more cash, we could really see this thing start to take off as we can start to focus on product development and getting our products out there. And I really do agree with that, because we're starting to see how phenomenally this company is performing without these big investments. They've had some great purchases and they've had some major sales, but this is by far one of the biggest investments this company has ever had. And so my thought is like, man, if they've been doing all this based off their revenue and using their revenue really as what is generating their products and doing all of these different things, what's going to happen now that they're starting to get financial backings from institutional investors like these, whenever they're starting to get these upfront $500,000 investments? We could really see this company take off. And like he said, in a market that supports growth, they are growing at insane rates. So that is about it for today's video. That is the update. I do believe that that is absolutely phenomenal, and I cannot wait to see how this is going to, you know, go into the future and how they will then use that capital to grow out their company and expand their products. Let me know what you guys think about this company down below. If you are invested in them, let me know how many shares you got. What's your cost basis? What's your plan? I love interacting with you guys down there, and you know that if you have any stocks that you want me to talk about, leave them in the comment section below and I will more than likely talk about them. Again, I'm posting a whole bunch of times a day at this point. I don't know a number. I'm just putting these videos out. I'm putting out what you guys want to see, and I absolutely love the fact that you guys are appreciating and, you know, find value in my content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.